ground floor plan and first floor plan design. First floor plan, 3 bedroom, 1 hall, and ground floor plan, 1 bedroom, dining, hall, big entrance, and kitchen. This we will see ground floor plan, this step, and this our entrance, and this attached bathroom, 4 feet 1 inch, 6 feet 3 inch. This is our entrance, wide entrance, 12 feet 2 inch. This side, big hall, 15 feet 7 inch and 24 feet 2 inch. With sofa, table, all furniture arranged. And this lobby area, big lobby, entrance lobby, 12 feet 2 inch, 17 feet 11 inch. This side, wonderful staircase, 10 feet 6 inch, 8 feet 1 inch. And this side, this is our lobby, this attached bathroom, this bedroom, 11 feet 11 inch, 13 feet 2 inch. This bathroom, 6 feet 6 inch, 5 feet 8 inch. And this passage, 5 feet 8 inch. And this dress area, cupboard area. And this our kitchen, 11 feet 11 inch, 10 feet 3 inch. This big side, wonderful dining, 17 feet 10 inch, 13 feet 5 inch. And this big size hall, 15 feet 7 inch, 24 feet 2 inch. This ground floor plan and first floor plan. This is first floor plan. First floor plan, front side, 12 feet 2 inch, 13 feet 7 inch. And this side, dress room, dress area for cupboard. And this master bedroom, 15 feet 7 inch, 15 feet 6 inch. This attached bathroom, 5 feet 8 inch, 8 feet 7 inch. This wide hall, 12 feet 2 inch, 14 feet 4 inch, first floor. This service room, 5 feet 8 inch, 6 feet 6 inch. This size, 13 feet 2 inch, 11 feet 11 inch, big size bedroom. This dress area, 8 feet 1 inch, 5 feet 5 inch. This bathroom, 5 feet, attached bathroom, 5 feet 11 inch and 8 feet 1 inch. This another bedroom, 15 feet 7 inch, 11 feet 11 inch. This attached bathroom, 5 feet 8 inch, 8 feet 7 inch, same size. This wonderful plan. We have arranged furniture also everywhere. Sink, water closet, wash basin, cupboard, floor tile design, sofa, chair, everywhere properly arranged. Column layout, outer window, outside window we have given here, everywhere window. And this front side, wonderful shape of elevation design. This all window covering, good design, frame. And for bathroom, we have given wonderful shape for ventilation also and design also. This floor plan, ground plus 1. Ground floor, 1 bedroom, big hall, dining, big entrance lobby with common bathroom and kitchen. But for ground floor, bathroom, attached bathroom with bedroom. First floor, 3 bedroom, big master bedroom, all attached bathroom. And big hall, front side. Wonderful staircase design. This floor plan cover 42 feet and 39 feet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.